Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com. Now, earlier you saw that Sharika Jackson won the 200 meters in a world-leading time of 21.55 seconds. And just to let you know that we will also be joining the men's 200-meter finals later in the newscast, so stay with us. Now, Commonwealth Secretary-General Patricia Scotland is defending her management of the financial affairs of the organization. Her response comes in the wake of reports in the United Kingdom that the Secretariat was withholding details of an audit. The Baroness addressed the matter at a press briefing Saturday night. Janella Precius reports.
In a terse response, Baroness Scotland described as a gross misrepresentation of the issues which were highlighted in the UK media about the audit report. She told journalists that when she took up office in 2016, the sums available to the Secretariat were insufficient to meet its needs. A way, she added, had to be found to ensure the organization remained viable.
We must be the most audited organization known to man, yet we have less than £42 million to do it all. So the question that was raised in 2018 by the leaders was, how do we put the Secretariat, who they said at that stage were doing a remarkably good job, on a more sustainable footing? That is the question that EY was asked to address. It was nothing about the financial circumstances of the Secretariat.
The period of reform started there. The Secretariat is obligated to publish data on every £500 and more which it spends.
That we have had a clean bill of health for every single year of my stewardship. And indeed, if you look at the governance measures, we moved from the Secretariat from a C-rated organisation to an A+. So we have been verifiably robust in the financial management.
The Baroness's term as Secretary-General will come to an end in 2024. Reporting from the just concluded Commonwealth Heads of Government meeting in Kigali, Rwanda, I'm Janella Precius for TVJ News.
In the meantime, MP for North West Manchester Michael Phillips believes the government sent a bad signal to the country by allowing Kamina Johnson-Smith to challenge for the position of Secretary-General of the Commonwealth.
That we say we want to rid ourselves of the Queen. And then at the same time we want to go ahead the Commonwealth, which is now reporting to the Queen. That after the Prime Minister announced that he wants to get rid of the Queen, him go and accept the Privy Council from the Queen, then him send him Foreign Affairs Minister to go report to the Queen. The question I ask is who he thinks he's fooling.